Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciate you. New viewers, you gotta subscribe. Today we're making a on-the-go lunch because I've heard so many people lately saying, I don't have time to make a lunch. Well, this is as easy as it gets. I've got some tortilla shells here. One happens to be spinach, the other just happens to be olive oil and basil. But use whatever kind you like. I've got some romaine lettuce. Use whatever kind you like. This is just a rough chop. This is turkey. This is actually turkey breast that I've just cut into slices, but this works with any kind of lunch meat. You can do this with anything. That's the cool thing. This is pre-made guacamole, because I like guacamole, but my family doesn't, so it doesn't keep very well, so pre-made, but you don't have to have that. This is pico de gallo. We have a recipe for that. You can check that out. And then these are called Kamado tomatoes. They're basically miniature brown grape tomatoes. Mayonnaise. All right, let's get started. Jump right in. We get that on there. We're going to take a little bit of mayonnaise, just a light. You don't need to go heavy on it. And just get it all over so that it's going to get the taste all the way through. Really easy, right? And now I'm going to take some of this turkey and I'm going to lay it right down the middle, like so. Maybe a little bit more. Just think of this as like turkey slices. Okay, good. A little bit of lettuce. And a couple tomatoes. And this is for one of my family members, and they don't like the pico de gallo and guac, so we're gonna roll this one up. And all you have to do, you can do it two ways, right? You can go this way and make it more like a burrito, but today I'm just gonna roll them. And that's really all there is to it. Now the nice thing about this is now an on-the-go food, and to keep it so that the little guys don't go, fold this over before you roll, and then you've got basically a pocket on the bottom. Everything goes in top, as you can see, and then you can just wrap it up. And while you're in the car, which this is perfect for, you just peel this down and you can eat it up. That is really all there is to it. You saw it took me 30 seconds to roll this up, maybe 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. Everything else is pre-made. 30 seconds to cut some lettuce. You can buy that shredded too. Use whatever you like. If you like cheese on there, go for it. And use the vegetables and the meats that you like. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like. Comments down below. Let me know what alterations you make. When you subscribe, ring the bell. Otherwise, check back for the next video and take care. Peace.